You've never experienced modern design like this. Clean, discreet, luxurious. The MEZZO series from Heat & Glow is modern design redefined. It's all about the details. Every corner, every edge, and every element of the MEZZO is all about perfection. Finished clean to the edge with no gaps. Flames, lights, reflections, and warmth combine to stimulate the senses. Express your style by mixing and matching fronts, finishes, and interior options to create a MEZZO that is uniquely yours. Visit your local dealer or heatandglow.com to learn more.